In today's video, I will show you the right way to use tags on Redbubble, how to find the best ones, and how you can rank your designs easy in the first page on Redbubble. And I will show you the same strategy I use, the strategy that helped me to generate more than 500 sales on Redbubble. So let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Sad and welcome to Infinitive Passive Income. If you see me for the first time, I make videos about making money online which branch in demand by giving you daily tips and tricks. I am sure these tips will help you in your journey. So I will much appreciate it if you smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be the first one who see my new videos. And thanks for anyone who sent me positive messages on my Facebook, and I am very proud that you guys find my methods helpful and help you to making your first sale. I'm really proud in what I done that make me proud and motivate me to do more and more. So the tags. First, let's see how Redbubble algorithm work. The first thing Redbubble depends to rank and show your designs to user is the title. Yes, the title must have a lot of keywords related to your design. And the second thing is the tags. So the tags are very important to rank your designs, because you cannot put all the keywords on the title. That's why almost all branch in the Med platforms give you the ability to add more keywords as a tags that help the user to find your designs. Redbubble give you the ability to use up to 50 tags, but the recommended is 15, so you have 15 more keywords. Now I will show you the best ways to find juicy tags related to your niche easily. The first one, in my opinion the best one, because it's generated by Redbubble. For example, you search for mom's t-shirt. Like you see, Redbubble give you those keywords. This is what the users type when you search for a product in your niche. If you use these keywords as a tags, anyone search for example father, your designs will appear to him. And this applies to all these keywords. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see these related searches. Also, you can use them as a tags on your designs. The second one is this tool, Redbubble Tag Generator. This tool is great. It will help you to generate juicy tags related to your niche with one click. Open web store and type Redbubble Tag Generator. So this is the tool. I already tested it and I use it on multiple designs I upload before, and I make sales with that designs. The tool works like this. You just enter a keyword, you focus on it, and the tool generates tags related to that keyword. And the best part is you can import tags you generate to the upload page with one click. So I find this tool simple, easy, and also help you to speed the process. That's why I recommend you guys to use it. The third one is a site called the Related Words. Just type on Google Related Words. This is the site, click it. So the site gives you related words on the keywords you already enter. This site gives you a unique and low competition keywords. For example, let's search for dog. Like you see, all these words are related to the dog, and I am sure some of these keywords they weren't even in your mind, like domestication, golden retriever. I really not see some of these words before. That's why this site is very powerful. Guys, I try to give you some unique ways to find tags that give you more options when you want to enter your tags. And also this will help you to find some low competition keywords, help you to rank your designs. The next one, and I am sure some of you will find it weird, but I really find some great tags with it, is Wikipedia. Yes, like you hear, Wikipedia will help you a lot to find some juicy good tags to use. For example, let's type coffee. All these words with link are keywords related to coffee, and you can use them as a tags on Redbubble. The next one is Merch Titan. As we know, Merch Station is a website have a lot of tools, whether are free or paid. And one from these free tools is the Redbubble tag generator. This tool is also great to use. If you type your keyword here, the tool generates some keywords related to her, and you can just copy it and paste it on your upload page. The last one is one from the best easy ways, is your other artist tags, and I will show you how you can copy these tags. For example, you work on the dog niche, just type dog in the search bar. After filtering the result to the best selling, so here just choose any design from the first 5 results and scroll down and copy the same tags these artists use. But Redbubble doesn't give the permission to copy those tags. So open web store and search for allow select and copy. This extension gives you the ability to copy the tags from Redbubble like you see. Now we can use the same tags these artists use, and with this we have solutioned a long time. How can you make more use of tags? When you start designing your designs, try to scale the design to at least 3 different designs, and there is a lot of ways to do that, like you change the fonts, the graphic a little bit, or you change the color. The important is you have 3 different designs. Like you see here, we have the first one, the second one, and the third one. We will put on every design a different tag. For example, the first one we will use the Redbubble related tags, the second one Redbubble tag generator, and the last one related words. And voila, now we have different tags for each design that give us more chances to make more sales because you test more than one tags. And when you see a specific design from those designs sold better than the others, then you will use the tags of that design on the others too. That's what I do. That's what helped me to generate more than 500 sales on Redbubble. A little tip guys, when you have a multiple keywords like this without comma, you just open this website, paste your keywords here, and this site will put comma automatic between your keywords, and this saves you a lot of time. So guys, I will finish here. A lot of people asked me for this video. Now we don't need anyone or any other tags tutorial, because in this video I showing you the best methods to find and generate tags, and also I showing you how to use those tags. So if you benefit, I will much appreciate it if you smash that red button and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to enjoy our Facebook group, the link in the description below. And yeah, stay safe guys, work hard for your dream, and see you in the next video.